All right, so looking at the line of reflection, if we're given two figures, finding the line of reflection. I find most of the horizontal ones are fairly easy. And in these problems, guys, we're not going to give you anything tricky. It's either going to be like x-axis, y-axis, x equals 5, y equals 6. Those are all horizontal vertical lines. The only two that might be tricky are x equals y and y equals x. And one way to kind of determine what's going on there is to take one of the points from your pre-image and connect it to one of the points in your image. Okay, so I'm going to actually break out a ruler here for this. I don't know if you guys can see that ruler that I'm using. If not, you're going to be okay. All right, so I connected those 2 points, and I could even connect another two if I want. Okay, and if I connect these guys and then find the middle, because remember, that line of reflection has to be the same distance away from both of those points, the pre-image point and the post, or the pre-image point and the image point. Okay, so look, here's the middle of those 2 points, C prime and C. Here's the middle of B prime and B. If I connect those, look at what line I get here. Okay, right there. Okay, that's the line I get. Okay, and if at first you don't notice what line that is, it's going to be either y equals x or y equals negative x. Think about it this way. You're going to read this as if the line is going from the left to the right. As this line goes from the left to the right, you're going to notice it's going down. Okay, so that must mean this has a negative slope. So this would be y equals negative x.